Hello again, it's Catherine White, First Aid. Welcome to another Trainer Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about ice packs for your first aid kit. So for your first aid kit, so that you can use it out and about, you probably want to choose an instant ice pack. This is one that comes in a bag. You twist the inner bag until it bursts, and then you shake vigorously until the contents become ice cold. Then you would want to take a triangular bandage from your first aid kit, wrap that round the ice pack so that it doesn't come in contact with the skin, because if the ice pack came directly in contact with the skin, it could cause damage. If you're in an office environment or somewhere where you've got access to a freezer, you might want to choose a reusable type of ice pack, perhaps a sports gel pack, which you can keep in the freezer and reuse. If you're at home, of course, you probably use a bag of peas, but whichever you choose, make sure that you do wrap it so that it's not in contact directly with the skin. Hope that helps. See you next time.